Yesterday was a slow start to the second day of the firearm discharge trial against EFF leader Julius Malema and his bodyguard, Adriaan Snyman. Malema is accused of allegedly firing an automatic rifle at one of the party's anniversary celebrations. I think it was the 5th anniversary celebrations held at Sisa Dukashe Stadium in Mdantsane. That dates back to 2018. Newzroom Afrika's Sipha Kema was watching the story for us. She's live outside the East London Magistrate court for us this morning. Sipha, a slow start yesterday. Tell us why.
Well, there were, of course, a few delays. Firstly, it was the actual start of court, which was meant to start actually at around 9:30. The magistrate was early yesterday, but the prosecution team could not get into court on time, did not make it into court on time, rather, and therefore we had to have an adjournment until they came in. And then the prosecution actually arrived, and then they asked for an adjournment. As they said, they were going through some documents and statements, and then they'll be ready to proceed. So that's when court was adjourned to start actually at 11 a.m. Now, the state brought its first witness for the day yesterday, Henry Stander, who is the Eastern Cape manager for SIRA. And as he started giving his evidence and his testimony on the witness stand, right in the beginning, the defense objected to what was being said, or rather where he was being led to what way was being led to say, saying that some of the information that he was giving or testifying actually did not appear anywhere in evidence. I mean, Advocate Julius Malema's legal rep went as far as saying this is an ambush trial. And then, of course, there was a short adjournment for about 10 minutes, and then that's when Henry Stander was removed from the stand, and we saw Mr. Jansen taking the stand as well. And of course, in between, there's breaks to lunch. So yesterday, they only got through to 3 witnesses as compared to the first day of trial, which was 5 witnesses. I mean, some are even asking whether or not there will be an extension, or will this trial, if they will be able to actually wrap up the trial by the 4th of March. But of course, we'll see what today holds for us. But now, Ayanda, at 8:30, actually, we'll be speaking to the EFF's SG Marshal Dlamini regarding some allegations that have been reported, saying that the then prosecutor who was presiding over this matter, Smith, had actually allegedly resigned because she had asked the NPA to step down from this case, and allegedly the NPA refused for her to actually remove her from this case. So then she resigned, as she did not want to be branded a racist. So we will be talking to Marshal Dlamini regarding that matter at 8:30.
Plenty moving parts. We look forward to it. Sipha Kema, thanks very much indeed. Sipha, live to us there from just outside the East London Magistrates Court.